Hello, to connect to TV using screencasting on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into your settings, then go into more connectivity options, and right here you have the cast option. You have to enable it. You have to agree the privacy statement that the Xiaomi interconnectivity services allow your devices to interact with each other wirelessly. Simply agree, and you have to allow the interconnectivity services to find nearby devices on your in your position, and also you need to turn on your Wi-Fi and location services to use casting. So let's turn this on, and as you can see, here's the instruction. You need to connect both your mobile and TV to the same Wi-Fi network, and this, if you have connected both your devices to the same network, you'll be able to find your TV right here. You will simply have to press to connect to this TV, and that's how you do it. I cannot unfortunately show you how to do it because I do not have TV which supports the screencasting, but that's how you do it. Simple as that. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.